hope everyone's day is going well. This video from Sales University is going to be teaching you all about hiring focus and how to go into business for self-commissions. Getting straight into it, you must delegate to other people. Delegate to technology, and you must build an organization. Now, there are 3 stages a successful business must go through. The first stage is finding qualified prospects for the business. This stage focuses on acquiring prospects that you can turn into clients for your business and make an income from. In this stage, you are doing absolutely everything necessary to keep the income flowing, which results from turning prospective clients into your clients. Stage 2 that successful businesses go through is finding time so that you can build an organization around you so that you can focus your valuable time on doing what you do best, which is developing and strengthening client and prospective client relationships. Stage 3 that successful businesses go through is business continuation. The business continuation stage encompasses taking a step back from all the hard work you have done to grow your business up to this point and reaping the rewards of your invested time and money. Hopefully you all have an idea of what stages you must aim to go through in your business. Be sure to check out the next video next week, as well as our Sales Mastery program. If you want to join our Sales Mastery program, or you are a corporation that wants to systemize a sales team and train that sales team to execute, reach out to me. I have the #1 sales program in Canada. It's worked for me. It's proven to work for many of my clients, and it will work for you too. I'll catch you guys in the next video.